how to register a domain name? Are you looking to register a domain name but don't know where to start? Part of creating a website is buying a domain name that has to be unique. In this step by step guideline, we are going to show you several options on how to register a domain name. So, why a good domain name is important? A domain name is your unique identifier among billion of other websites on the web. That's why having a memorable and easy to type name is essential for having an online presence. Your domain name serves an extension of your personal or business name. In that sense, it improves recognition and awareness, adds extra credibility to your venture, eventually boosts visitors' recall. Also, choosing a good domain name is important for SEO. Several years ago, exact match domains were all the rage, but today most people choose brandable domain names. Memorable domain names get typed to Google more frequently. Algorithms keep track of that and assign more authority to your website. As the branded search volume grows, your domain name earns extra authority points so that it gets easier to rank for related keywords. With that being said, let's move on to how to part. How to register a domain. To get a domain name, you will need to call DIPS with ICNN. ICNN is a global non-profit authority that maintains records on which domain and IP address belongs to whom and manage access to them. But ICNN doesn't provide registration services, it only maintains records. That's where domain name registrars come into play. The primary role of a registrar is to coordinate claims on different domain names, match specific domain names with domain name system, name servers, ensure that there is no duplicate domain names. Technically speaking, you're not buying a domain name for a registered company but reserve its usage for a specified time. You can pay to reserve a domain for 1 to 10 years at a time depending on the registrar. After your initial subscription expires, you will need to renew it and pay a fee again. You can repurchase your domain name over and over again. So, how to get a domain name from domain.com? Domain.com is a reputable domain registrar launched in 1998. Over 1.2 million websites are registered within them. Domain.com features the most popular top level domains, TLDs such as .com, .net, .org, .co, along with over 25 country specific domain extensions. They are mostly selling affordable domain names with most name priced in the $9.99 to $12.99 per year range. If you are lucky, you can steal the deal and buy your domain name for as low as $2.99 per year. For that price, you get 1 year domain ownership, free SSL certificate for extra security, automatic email forwarding to your domain, DNS registration, and management tools. Also, you can purchase extra domain privacy plus protection for your domain. Costs $8.99 per year. In this case, your personal details will not be displayed publicly in the WHOIS, ICNN directories. Plus, the registrar will also run extra security checks. Step 1. Run a quick search to verify that the domain name you are eyeing is available. Step 2. Pick your domain extension. Go for .com since it's the most familiar option among users and thus people tend to type .com before trying anything else. Your choice gets automatically added to your cart with a 2 year privacy protection subscription. This one's optional, so you can remove it during the next step. Also, you can change your domain renewal period from 1 year to 5 years. Moreover, you can pick some add-on services such as a professional email address, matching your domain name, access to a drag and drop website builder, a web hosting plan. Don't rush to grab it. SiteLock website security tool. Step 3. Provide your billing and payment information. Once you're done with your selections, add a coupon code website setup 25 to get 25% of the first payment. Review your choices and proceed with checkout. So